In this video, we're going to be talking about how you can use Shopify's integration to basically upload products to Shopify and reprice them and use the bulk uploader and all of those great things with Fbmfox, right? So you can now integrate Shopify and Fbmfox together to basically manage inventory, right? And this video is going to be the first of a series of videos that just shows you how to integrate Shopify and Fbmfox together, how to link them. In future videos, we're going to go over how you can use the Chrome extension to list on Shopify, how you can use the bulk uploader to list on Shopify. And everything is included in one subscription. So your subscription price isn't going up or anything like that. You can now, alongside Facebook Shops settings, you now have Shopify settings. And if you like to use those settings, if you check that sales channel as Shopify on, then it's going to start working, right? So we'll show you how to set it up initially. Once again, this is a one-time setup, right? So the first thing you need is a Shopify Store. I just went ahead and I created mine. And the other thing you need is an Fbmfox account. You can also have a free plan of Fbmfox. So once you go into your Shopify store, you can click on apps. And basically what we need to do is integrate these two things together. So what you need to do is scroll down and click on develop apps for your store. Once you click that, click on create an app, and then you can name this app anything you'd like. I'll name it Fbmfox, and then click on create app. Once that's done, click on configure admin API scopes. And what you need to do here is very simple. There's just a large list of checkboxes. You want to just check them. So I'm just going to go ahead and check these boxes. There's about 60 of them, so it's going to take a minute to do so. All right, so I just went ahead and I checked all the boxes here. Now, once these boxes are checked, the next thing you want to do is just click on save at the top right-hand corner right here. And then click on install app, and then click install. Once you do this, basically the next thing you want to do is click on your URL right here and copy the URL, right? But you only want to copy a small section of it. So it's basically your store's name .myshopify.com, and you want to go into Fbmfox and then click on account settings and then go into Shopify settings and paste that store name, basically the store URL. You want to paste it, and you want to get rid of the HTTPS and all that kind of stuff. Next thing you want to do, and this is really important, this is the main connector. There's this thing right here, which is a token, and you can only see it once, right? So what you need to do is click on reveal token once, then copy it, and then paste it in here, and then click on authenticate Shopify, right? And this token is only revealed once. So, if you need to retrieve this token for some reason in the future, then you would probably have to save this token somewhere on a notepad file so you can retrieve it again, because you won't be able to see this again. And it'll be in Fbmfox, like it's going to be in our end. And, we don't need it again from you guys. It's just a one-time setup thing. But in case you want your token again, you should probably save it on a notepad file or something like that. But I'm just going to click on reveal token once, copy this thing, then go into settings in Fbmfox, then paste the access token, and then click on authenticate Shopify. Once that's done, now I can go into my Shopify settings, and now it's authenticated. It's done. So next thing that is left to do is pretty much just add products to this thing, and it's pretty easy to do if you're using Fbmfox. Really, all you have to do is add a product and then enable the sales channel. It's super simple. So, we can just head over to Amazon or any one of our 20 plus suppliers and, click on one of the things that you want to list or save into Fbmfox. And then you just want to hit save to Fbmfox. You can You can also copy review images in this case, but we just went ahead and we saved it. Now it's right here. You might be like, hey, why isn't my product now in my product section in Shopify? Well, the way to do that is essentially just check the sales channel, right? So right now it says Shopify API, it shows red. So all you want to do is click on edit and then go into sales channels and then click on Shopify and then click on save changes. And basically what this is going to do is put your Shopify product into Shopify. So there you go. You can now find the product in Shopify. Once I give it a refresh, you should see that this product is in Shopify, which looks good. And if you go to your store URL, you'll find this product in your catalog. All right, guys, so that is it for this video. Hope you guys are excited for the Shopify integration. Much more videos coming out in the future on both Facebook Shops and Shopify. We've got exciting updates for both. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you haven't started using Fbmfox yet, please go ahead and do so. We are becoming an omni-channel software service, and we might support the channel that you're selling on soon. So go ahead and subscribe, like, sign up for our software. It's a 7-day free trial and only $29 a month after that, and you get all of these great things. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. We'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.